Hello friends, welcome back onto my channel Entertain World with another new videos on birds, wildlife and nature. I hope you will enjoy it. Friends, as part of my last video, I have promised that I will put out those who answers to my questions correctly. So it's time that I should show you those who answer my questions correctly, and luckily two of them answers correctly, and here is their names. So in first place it is Sima and her answer is Pride, and in second place it is Surus and the correct answer is Pride. Thank you guys for participating in it. Wow, look at this. What a beauty it is. What a red beauty it is. It is very peaceful to look at. Wow, it would be a fresh moment if we stayed here. Friends, have you seen a woodpecker making its shelter? If you don't see, you look at this. How this woodpecker is trying to make its shelter. So guys, look at these beautiful flowers. I seen it only today. If you see before it, please tell me the name of this flower. Oh, so cute. I think the part of the name is sparrow, and I guess the flower is sunflower. Wow, what a lovely wood. Oh, this is a cute bird. I love it. Wow, look at this. Wool. Have you noticed that wool can turn its neck into 360 degree, if I'm not mistaken. See how it turned. It is so cute. I like it. I really like it. Friends, if you like more videos like this, please do subscribe my channel. You'll be able to see beautiful birds, animals. Look at this bird, how it is eating. How it look around. Awesome. Their movement is very quick. See, this is the woodpecker. If you don't see woodpecker making its shelter, here is the right place. You can see all these things. It is raining, and I love rain sound. Oh God, look at that view. And the bird is awesome. The color is green on the back, red on the head and blue on the chest. Quite good to see that. And the sound of the waterfall is awesome. Wow, amazing. What a black beauty it is. Have you heard the sound of this bird? It is too awesome. It is pleasure to hear that. Wow, look at these two birds. I really enjoy this type of view, friends. I don't know how about you all. If you like, please do share and comment. Wow, look at the views, friend. I really enjoy it. it is quite peaceful. So finally friends, here it is a whole in terrific moment. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this on nature, and also hit the bell notification for latest update. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.